There are three things in every workers' compensation claim that you need to cover, and a good lawyer can take care of all of these things for you. The most important one is medical care. A case in workers' compensation typically it's not $1 million lawsuit. There are smaller suits, and they're very specific in what you can get. You can get your medical bills covered, you can get lost wages for while you're off work, and then at the end, if you have a permanent injury, you get something for that. It's never hundreds of thousands of dollars. It can be, we've had those, but those are folks who lose their jobs. Maybe one of the most important things other than the lawyer you choose is the doctor that you choose. And the reason is this: every case requires a doctor to tie it up. It's called causation. That means your injury was caused by something that happened at work. And if it's a repetitive job, if you pick the wrong doctor, he might not be willing to do that, or she might say, I don't like doing depositions, or she might not understand the law. So sometimes clients will come to me and they only get one choice of doctor and they've already picked the doctor. And now I have to figure out if I can convince that person to go with us, to follow the law and go with us. A better scenario is if they come to us ahead of time, because we have groups of doctors, and the doctors that we recommend our clients go to are the same ones we go to. For instance, the doctor I would send you to for your elbow surgery is the one who did mine. There are doctors who have taught at Washington University. There are doctors who are affiliated with universities. And because we know those doctors know the law, we can better predict what the outcome of the case is going to be. We have a stronger case going to trial. And most importantly, we know that you're going to get the kind of care that will allow you to recover as well as possible. The better you recover, the less your case is worth, but this is the rest of your life. So our focus is, let's get you fixed, and then we'll get you the most that we can under the law. If at the end of the case, we think that we're worried about your future, and we're worried that workers' compensation, if we settle this, is going to close out the medical care, we will tell you, I know it's uncomfortable and you're a little nervous, but we need to try this case, because if we try it, your medical stays open related to this for the rest of your life. So, unlike a lot of other firms who take the quick money and settle, there are times we could do that, but 2 years from now, when that knee is acting up or when that elbow is problematic and you want to go to get treatment, your insurance company is going to say, well, this is part of your work comp claim, and they're not going to want to pay for it. But if you tried it and you won, which we almost always do, we're in the 90s, probably closer to 95%, then you're covered, and that's that.